In this video, it is Tony brand wood chipper with 132 kilowatt. Raw material are wood logs and furniture waste with 50% moisture. The buyer-use hour wood chipper TPC 1300600 with 132 kilowatt. To grind 30 cm diameter wood logs into 25 mm to 55 mm wood chips. Tony wood chipper inlet is 1.3 meters with chain belt conveyor, has higher wear resistance and is not afraid of nails, and galvanized outlet belt conveyor higher strength, wear resistance and corrosion resistance. Its capacity is 10 to 15 tons per hour. Tony wood chipper electrical cabinets use inlet frequency and soft starter, with wireless remote control, which is easy and safe to operate. Tony wood chipper with the chain type intelligent feeding. The feeding speed can be automatically adjusted according to the main motor load. Tony wood chipper is operated at full load to avoid no-load operation, which makes the feeding smoother and greatly improves the production capacity. Tony wood chipper has high output, low energy consumption. The size of broken wood chips is uniform thickness. Tony wood chipper is durable and uses steel structural components, with solid and reliable material selection, high-power self-aligning bearings, and a long service life. Tony wood chipper is also widely used, such as in wood chip plants, biomass power plants, pulp plants, wood pellet plants and other places. It makes these waste wood recycling and reuse. For recycling waste into treasure resources, we can supply the wood chipper with capacity from 6 ton to 50 tons per hour. It can also use mobile diesel drive, which is well received by domestic and foreign customers. Praise. Tony can always supply you the best products with excellent quality.